Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my full face for the Tinted Moisturizer bundle look. I'm going to go ahead and start with my concealer. I'm going to use the Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer. It helps with my puffiness on my face and it's hydrating. And I'm using the shade Caramel. So I like to just dab it a little under my eye. You can use your fingers to blend these in. That's what makes it really great about these products. And they're vegan and cruelty free. So I just go ahead and blend it out in like this. And as you can see, it's very seamless. There's avocado oil. Perfect. My skin conditioner is just a tint. This is in Caramel Delight. So I just take a few dabs, and a little goes a long way. You don't even need that much, as you can see. And then I just blend it out like that. And it's great for outdoors because it has SPF, which is very, very necessary for your skin. Just a lot of you guys don't use sunscreen, which you should, but this will do you good as well. And what I really like about this product is that it's oil-free. So for girls like us who have combination skin, it's great because it doesn't cause any breakouts. Even though a little goes a long way, you can build this to your full coverage as how you want. You can do medium coverage, you can do a full coverage, however you want. So what I'm going to use today is the exact arch. It has spoolie to it, so I can just comb it all out. As you can see, I have really bushy brows. I just like to comb it all out like this. After I comb it out, I like to use the pencil. And with this pencil, it has jojoba oil. See, I'm just really lightly filling it in. I just like to go over it really lightly, as you can see. And the argan oil in this is really great. The Minute Finish face palette. I'm using Boss Moves. In this, as you can see, the colors are so pretty here. I'm gonna go ahead and start with contouring my face first, and I'm gonna use Making Bets right here. The palette is very convenient, so you can do your, like if you're in a rush, especially if you're like traveling or something, and the blush grinding. And then I'm gonna use the cheek side actually of this. So I just lightly dab it right here. I love the pigmentation on this. The face powder right here, and go over my entire face with it just to kind of give it more of a flawless feel. After I do the face powder, I just like to go for my highlight, and here I'm using Now Hiring, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little C here. Go on, move on to the lips. So I'm using In Charge. It has a great shine to it. It's not sticky at all. It feels so light. Alright, so this is my final look, and as you can see, it's very light and airy, very natural and seamless.